Everybody just a fly down from me last Mohican.
Real.
Yeah. And show me the old general. You know the old general?
Wow.
Remind me of the old general. So
Yeah.
yeah, me little long time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. You hear the man himself.
That is it.
All right. So this is it's a weekly event, a weekly party, and this is like an adult. I wish I could let you hear the music, but it's like souls, 70s, 80s love songs. Bounty Killer is in the building. He was there as well. Alan Ladd from Canada, he's there. Yeah. And yeah, I didn't expect it to be so good, to be honest. But I had a really good time. I had a really, really good time. Nice, nice music. Some of the songs that I've never really heard of before. I've never heard those songs before my time. And some of the songs that I've heard, the Celine Dion and the Whitney. Yeah. And it was a nice, mature crowd, like this is like your parents' party. But then there's younger people there as well. And this actually, this is my first time here, and what I'm being told is this was actually on a slow night. Normally, like in December, you couldn't even find a spot to stand. There was even people downstairs outside. So I was like, whoa. Yeah, so, like, share, subscribe. I want to grow this channel, so I'm just putting up all the content, everything I have, everything I'm doing while I'm in Jamaica. Yeah.